Good day, ma'am. I am Johaira Muhammad and I will be your nurse for today. So, may I know your name, ma'am? Okay, so today, ma'am, I'm gonna assess your chest and lungs para ma-check natin if there are any abnormalities and para ma-check din natin yung breath sounds nyo. So, I'm gonna do my hand hygiene and I already provide you a privacy. So, now, ma'am, first, I'm gonna inspect for the related structures. Firstly, sa skin. Okay, so same naman po, uniform yung color ng skin nyo. Now naman po is sa mouth and tongue. So kindly open your mouth for me, ma'am. Okay, so protrude your tongue. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Now is the fingers and nail beds. Okay, so okay naman po yung size and shape ng nails nyo. Okay, now naman ma'am, kindly turn at this side because I'm gonna check for your spinal cord. Okay, so align naman po siya. Now naman ma'am, I'm gonna percuss it. So, kindly take a deep breath. Okay, so I hear the dullness sound, which is normal. Now is I'm gonna auscultate it using my stethoscope para marinig natin yung sounds or yung breathing sounds nyo. Okay, so kindly take slow breaths. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale lang. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, ma'am. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale. So far, okay naman po yung breathing sounds nyo. Wala naman po akong narinig na mga phlegm or anything. Ma'am, kindly stand up. We're gonna do the butterfly method. Okay, so instruct ko lang po kayo kailan kayo mag-inhale. So, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Okay, so okay naman po. Overall, lahat po ng na-check ko sa inyo is normal. Yung breathing sounds nyo is normal and yung okay naman po yung lungs nyo. Thank you, ma'am.